Hello, so in this video I am going to be discussing about a blender, but not just any ordinary blender. Oh no. We are going to be talking about, well, why did I say we? Anyway, the Hamilton Beach Wave Action blender, and the model number is 53518. So just some information about this blender. So as you can see, the glass jar right here, yes, it is glass, so be very careful. It's dishwasher safe, and the measurements is also, it's a 48-ounce glass jar. So like I said before, definitely be safe, and it's dishwasher safe. So if you don't want to like hand wash it by hand, pop the bad boy in the dishwasher and you are set to go. It is a 700 watt peak power motor. Anyway, yeah, let me say that again. So it's 700 watt peak power motor. Okay, so got 700 watts in it. The 3-year limited warranty. Okay, and then it comes with a stir spoon, which is this, and that can be used for like thicker foods and mixtures. So if you gotta go inside, gotta mush it around. It helps to mush things around, and that's where it's sculpted like this, so it can be made easy to mix things around. I think it said something about, because I didn't actually write it down, but it comes with the lid, and as you can clean it, you can lift this part up and you can clean it and so forth. So something that can definitely come out of. Can I put it back on? I think I'll put it back on. Put it back on correctly. I'll put it back on correctly after this video. Okay. More information about this video. Okay. So it's PBA free in food zone, so you don't have to worry about chemicals or anything harmful going on using this blender. You can use this blender for like soups, sauces, salsa, smoothies, shakes. And let me go ahead and put it down for a minute. So as you can see, off, of course, and like if you want to make a nice little milkshake or you want to mix, press this. For a pure smoothie icy drink, press that. And then for pulse, if you want something to dice, chop, and salsa, if you're mixing things together, easily press this. And then for grinding on the crushed ice, like if you're mixing smoothies, you press this. So mostly what me and my mom use, we use this blender mostly for smoothies. So we'll go back and forth with the grind crushed ice and the pure smoothie icy drink, because we use ice in our smoothies. And on the glass jar, it has measurements on it too, so you don't have to be like, okay, how much of what and which and all that good stuff. So you see it's 48 ounces right here, so you can measure it by that. I mean, it helps if you have a measuring cup, but you just know how much you're pouring and how much you got going on in your blender, since the jar is measured as well. It comes with an easy handle, so it's real easy. I mean, it got some weight on it. You just plop it down, make sure it's secured, and you're ready to go. But how Hamilton Beach came about with his name, so the founder is Frederick J. Oasis, I think, was it Oasis? Okay, and in Racine, Wisconsin. And the name came from two men that Frederick hired, and their names were Lewis Hamilton and Chester Beach. And Frederick didn't really care for his name of using the appliances off of his name. So he hired those two men and paid them each $1,000 the right of using both of their names. So he paid Chester and Lewis $1,000 each to use their name. So cool. Just, that's amazing. So yeah, I mean, I really love this blender. I had this blender for over about a good 3 years now, so it's, you know, in good use. Whenever I'm done using it, I have like a cover to cover it up, like when I'm done using it. It's really easy to clean. You know, I think at the bottom you can actually take the bottom blade off too. You just have to be really careful, from what I can remember when I was cleaning it. Like I said before, this is easily clean, so you can clean the top off. If you don't want to wash it by hand, you can easily just plop it in the dishwasher and you're set to go. Just recapping, and I believe that I said at the beginning of the video that they had one that's red. I haven't seen that one in person because I actually bought this in store. But as I was looking up like information and stuff like that, I've tended to see a red one. So you don't really want the chrome one. You can be cool and get the red one. Be a little extra up as well. Anyway, I think that's pretty much all the information I present. I think they had a... Do they have the smaller version? I'm not sure about the smaller version. I just know the different colors. But I did see one that was a little bit smaller, but the same base. Yep. So again, this is the Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender. And the model number again is 53518. And it came in a nice, cute box that fit the blender in. And again, you come with the stirring spoon. Yes.